anything could happen. I'll show it to you two ways. This is a beginner lesson. First, I'll show you the way I'm playing it now, which is not the same as the recording, but it's easier. Went to a doctor, looked so hard, with a smile on his face. He put me in the junkyard, looking for answers in an empty doorway. Talked to a dancer, she pointed me to the highway. Anything could happen right now. The choice is yours to make it worthwhile. Anything could happen, it could happen right now. The choice is yours to make it worthwhile. Right? It's kind of a irreverent song, and it has the same chord progression for the chorus and the verses. So it's just a 1 5 4. But we're gonna play D. Okay. Plays your middle finger on the first fret, first string, second fret, and you're gonna place your index finger on the third string, your G string, on the second fret, and then you're gonna place your ring finger on the third fret on the second string. It makes a triangle with your ring finger pointing this way. And we can play strings 5 through 1. But don't play the low E though. Alright, that's D. Next chord. Anything could happen, it could happen. A. Okay, so we're gonna take our ring finger, our pointer finger. We're going to place it across two strings, the D and the G. And then we're going to take our middle finger and place it on the B string. So now we're pressing down all of these strings at the second fret. And again, we play strings 5 through 1. We don't play the low E. You could do it with 3 fingers if your fingers are small. Just do 1 string per finger. Okay, that's fine. You can do it with 1 finger. If you do it with 1 finger, you're not going to play the high E. But that's fine. you know, this still sounds perfect. Okay, last chord is G, and I guess most people play G this way. On the A string, your 5th string, you're going to place your middle finger at the 2nd fret. Push down. Your ring finger is going to go on the low E on the 3rd fret. And you could just do that and play like the top 4, the lowest 4 string. But if you want to play the whole thing, you can place your pinky on the E, high E string at the 3rd fret. Then you can play all 6 strings. That's it. Those are the chords for this song. The only problem with that is you can't play along with the recording because I changed the key. The recording is still pretty simple, but it does have a bar chord in it. The recording goes E. Anything could happen, it could happen right now. The choice is yours. Pick it up somehow. There's E, B, A. So if you want to play along with the recording, you play this. Play it this way. E is index finger on the G string at the 1st fret. You place your 2nd finger on the low A string, your fifth string, and you play that at the 2nd fret. And then your ring finger, you're going to play on the D string at the 2nd fret. You play all 6 strings. Now the B is the hard one, that's a bar chord. But what you're going to do is basically, you're playing this A, but you're just taking one finger to press down. You're playing the A shape, but you're playing it at the 4th fret. And you're going to press down the A string, the D string, and the G string with your ring finger. And then you're going to take your index finger and play the 2nd fret on the A string. So you're not playing the low E, you're not playing the high E. Okay? Just playing the middle strings. A, D, G, B. Now, if you wanted to, you could get away with just taking this A shape and moving it up to the 3rd fret. But then you got to be careful with your strumming because you can only play those 3 strings. You can play the D, G, B. If you get the A in there, it's not going to sound good. All right, or the high E, if you get that in there by accident. But I'm muting it. But it doesn't sound good. So you can play it that way, but just you're going to have to tighten up your strumming. And then A is the last chord. And we already covered the A in the first way we played it, where we played a D. And just real quick, the reason we can move these around is like, here's the at the 12th fret, here's the E, here's the B, and here's the A. All we're doing is just moving that down to here, and now we're playing D, A, G. So we're keeping the relationship among the chords the same. That's the E, B, A, and here is D, D, G, D, A, G. So that's why we can transpose songs to different keys. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.